Hi guys, okay, today I'm going to be showing you what is, I don't know if you can see this because I am doing it on my phone. I'm going to be doing what is in my kitchen, okay? So I have lots of things in my kitchen. I'm going to show you all. So, I have lots of stuff because we just went. I'm going to one sec. I just need to plug in my phone real quick because it is on dead battery. I'm about to go to bed right now. So, first thing I have is a Lunchable. It's look for fun comics inside. Collect them all. This one's pizza. All of them are pizza. So this is what comes in Airheads, pizza, and then pizza. So that's one thing in my kitchen. I'm just gonna pause you guys real quick, okay? Okay, I'm just gonna keep the stuff in my fridge and show you guys on my phone when it's in the fridge. Okay, so I have Daisy sour cream. I have 2 Lunchables. I have 2 of them. But I go to school. You don't have to eat them every day. I also have butter. Put it like that. I have butter. I have Modern Dairy low-fat cottage cheese. I think I have non-fat yogurt. And I also have some cheese. See, it says cheese there. I'm going to zoom in. It's not going, not much, but it says cheese. Okay, so, and then I'm going to move it back where it was, so it doesn't look like an empty fridge. It's not like an empty fridge. And it's not empty. That's just the top layer that looks like. Down here I have, what kind of meat? This is a different kind of meat than this one. This is bologna. And this one was sausage meat or something. I'm not really beef bologna. If you can read that, that's what it is. It's beef bologna. I think it says bologna, but it's bologna. And then this is just oven roasted white turkey. That one's turkey. And I have some oranges. And I have eggs. Wait. Hey, it's all white. Okay, so, and I don't know what I did this because it's tin foil, but I also have stuff down here, but I don't know what's in it. So I also have lots of drinks down here, but first I'm gonna start with this. I have some cheese. I have turkey or meat. I have water. I have some juice in the picture right there. Apple juice, and I have some milk. We also have more stuff here. We have 2 full things of Tabasco, which is my mom's. I don't like Tabasco. Some homemade like Worcestershire sauce, lemon pudding, which I do not eat, thick and chunky salsa, whipping cream. The whipping cream's right here. It's hard to like, cause my thing keeps. I'm gonna like go back here and like zoom in. So I have whipping cream. I have olives. I like olives. I have chocolate flavored syrup made with raw cocoa. More down here, like I have Japanese. That's for your Japanese sauce. That's for your dumplings. More Japanese sauce. That's for your dumplings. Yellow mustard. Mayonnaise. That's how I say it. Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese. I also have blue ice cream. I don't know what that is, but whatever it is, my mom's. Ketchup. I also have stone ground mustard. I have blue cheese, which I do not eat. I do not eat. Lee and pepperons, whatever. Worcestershire sauce. That's mine. I love Worcestershire. Oh, I dropped it. It's soy sauce. Whoa. Cream Horges. I don't know how to say that. Steak sauce. And some water. More water. That's fine. So, this is frozen milk. See, I have more milk. So now we're going up to the freezer. I have 2 things of popsicles. Wait, no, this is not the thing. Look, I have this thing of popsicles, and then all the way back there, I have more popsicles. I have toaster strudel. I love toaster strudels. I have more, see, 2 more. So I have about 5 toaster strudels. And then I have more bread. Milk, it turns yellow. It's hard to see, but I have more. And then I have bread with strawberries and blueberries all the way back there because it's cold. Some sausage, and then like some more meat. Ooh, and I broke the thing, but I have like ice trays. In the fridge. Alright, here I have some cookies. Let me open the store. I have like, let me zoom in. Seriously zoom in. I have some rainbow cookie, more rainbow cookies. I already have another pan of rainbow cookies. Oh, this one is like, she must have changed it, but I have Chips Deluxe Ordinary, and I have Chips Deluxe Rainbow M&Ms. I also have some pure baking soda, honey, and lots of tuna. Lots of tuna. It's supposed to be for my cat. I don't really eat. Crab and shrimp bowl. I even have more, but I need to more Chips Deluxe. I don't know, what is that? I don't know what that is. I forgot. It's up there. It's so high reach. I'm gonna like zoom out. I have like honey too, right there. Honey. There's a lot more. Yeah. So, and then I can't really tell everything that's in there. I would do a full food covered tour. I have some bananas here, and I also have some bananas like on my dining table. Lots of bananas. And so here's pretty much the snack and breakfast. I have peanut butter. I I have some, it's not just ordinary bread, it's like a dessert bread. I have fruit roll-ups. It's 8. Fruit roll-ups, fruit by the foot, and Gushers, fruit Gushers. And then I have fruit snacks. So I gave me just fruit snacks. It's like real fruit kind. I really want to eat like fruit right now, but I'm about to have dinner. I don't know. It's so late. I'm supposed to go to bed, but I'm changing my bedtime to 8:45. I have to talk so loud. I know I've been talking low. I have to talk so loud now. And well, I'm like doing the video because it might be super low. You want to turn this up and restart it because it's like really low. I have some granola bars. My favorite, though, there's chocolate chip s'mores. Here, I'll just show you. So I have this one. S'mores, my favorite. S'mores. Like, I'm gonna go all the way back here and I'm gonna zoom in s'mores. 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 So I have s'mores. I like s'mores. S'mores my favorite. I also have in the box. I have peanut butter chocolate. It's not so light. It's peanut butter chocolate chip. And then I also have, can you read that? Oatmeal raisin, that's the real color. More peanut butter chocolate chip. And I also have my last final one, oatmeal raisin. I'm gonna have this one. I want to have it right now, but it's not very good. So I usually have it for my lunch. I like s'mores. I like s'mores tomorrow. Those are my favorite. And chocolate chip. I like chocolate chip. And chocolate chip peanut butter. Okay, so I have some bread, regular bread. And then here I have rice chips with my mom. My mom still has more rice chips, 2 big bags of rice chips. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Cinnamon Toast Crunch and Crunch Berries. My mom just Captain Crunch. More Captain Crunch and French Bear. I don't like Ricky Bear. I'm gonna say that. But now that's like almost the whole thing, but it's not. So I also have this sugar and let me see, what is this? Oh, it's like that one. It's like it's for coffee maker. My mom does not drink coffee. It's for my uncle when he comes over. So it's usually don't break that. Even down here, more and more food. Apple butter jelly, apple butter, apple butter, apple. Oh, I forgot to show you the jelly one. I also have some jellies down here. So I have syrup. I have jellies. One of them is apple butter. This one's apple butter. I would do a jelly tour and a cover tour because this is 13 or this might be really short or not. I got lots of this and I will do 2 full cover videos and okay. So I can't really, I want to do take a pic. But okay. So bye guys. I just want to give a shout out to what's right now? To The Real Cookie Swirl Z. I'm sorry if I copied. I just had no other name. Bye guys. Wait, I need to find out where this thing is, so then I'll say bye. Okay, now I found out. Bye.